Pro-picked lures. Rapala swimming actions. Ultra-light sizes. Bonus item. Great as a gift. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing kit for my ultralight. I lost my Rattlin Rapala on day 1, but it was killing it. I have used Rapala lures for a long time and love them, but I almost always use an ultralight pole due to the size of the river and ponds I fish more often. I found this kit when looking to increase my ultralight lure selection and knew I had to get it. The shipping was fast, and the weekend after I got it I hit a local pond with some big fish and lots of bass that aren't too easy to catch. The first lure I threw was the Rattlin Rapala, shipped in baby bass, and I was getting tons of bites on it, including a couple of good-sized bass for an ultralight pole. After about an hour of use, the wind blew my lure into a tree branch hanging far out over the water, and eventually, my 4-pound line snapped, which dropped my lure into the drink. Heartbroken, I switched to the mini fat wrap, which promptly caught me a small bass on my first cast. I'm very impressed with this whole kit and am looking to buy a replacement Rattlin Rapala in a few colors.